Welcome everyone, it's End Review YouTube channel. Today we are going through OnePlus 7T. We are going to see all the main features of OnePlus 7T. OnePlus 7T is one of the best smartphone that is available in the market right now that you can buy. In this video we are going to see all the specifications and details about display, performance and battery life, etc. Let's talk about displays. It has a water drop notch at the top, same like 6T. It has 6.55-inch screen with 1080 by 2400 pixel resolution. The sides and bottoms are also small, you will literally notice the difference. And it can go up to 740 nits. It has 83% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about performance. The phone will literally never slow down. It comes with 8GB RAM, that is tons of RAM, that will help you to keep all your activities in memory. OnePlus 7T comes only with 8GB RAM.
8GB is good enough to hold all your background activities.
Let's talk more about display and OxygenOS 10.0. OxygenOS 10.0 provides for speed and reduced lag-free experience. Many smartphones only have 60Hz display, but the best part of OnePlus 7T is 90Hz display. Now let's talk about camera. OnePlus 7T has triple camera layouts in the back. It has standard 48 megapixel main sensor, 16 megapixel ultra wide angle, 12 megapixel telephoto. It will help you to take photos that look great. You will never miss out on any details in the picture. The phone is also capable of shooting in low light condition. The camera app in the phone has a dedicated separate night mode in it. Let's go through battery performance. The phone is impressive in all the departments. It comes with Warp Charger 30T in the box. It is 23% faster than the previous generation chargers. It will take roughly around 30 minutes to charge 70% of your phone capacity. OnePlus 7T is a performance champion. It is faster and more efficient. It comes with Snapdragon 855 Plus, help you to play games at higher frame rate without any lag. It comes with UFS 3.0 storage up to 256GB that help you to store all your photos and videos locally. Never stumble with low storage. Literally, it is an all-rounder. Its performance has increased comparing to previous models. This phone is for everyone who wants good build quality and super performance. Here are some details that you want to know about OnePlus 7T that I have mentioned in the video. These are the details that are available in OnePlus own official website. Thanks for watching the video. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it.